नमस्कार, मेरा नाम रमीला और मैं आज आपके सामने एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण विचार के बारे में बात करने जा रही हूँ। क्या आपको पता है वो विचार क्या है? हाँ, पता है? बोलिए तो। वही ना, टिकटॉक और यूट्यूब के बारे में। जनाब, टिकटॉक और यूट्यूब से थोड़ा बाहर आइए। अमेज़न ऑफ द ईस्ट आज बहुत ही तकलीफ में है। क्या आपको पता है कि कोल माइनिंग के वजह से कितने सारे जीव जंतु मारे जाएंगे? क्या आपको पता है इसके वजह से क्या होने वाला है? बिल्कुल ही नहीं पता होगा, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है। तो इसीलिए आज मैं प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण विचार। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं दिहिंग पातका के बारे में। एक्सक्यूज मी। हेलो, हाँ बताइए। Hello, actually I'm not from this place. Actually I'm out of India and for the first time I have visited Assam. Actually I want to know what's the speciality of Assam because my friends are saying we have the Amazon of the East here but I'm not much aware. Can you please guide me out with this? Yes, darling, why not? Okay, let me tell you about the Amazon of the East. The Dihiang Patka Wildlife Sanctuary, that is the Amazon of the East, is also known as the Jaipur Rainforest. It is located in the Dibrugarh and Tinsukia district of Assam. Dihiang is the name of the river that flows through the forest and Patka is the hill at the foot of which the sanctuary lies. Rare fauna found in the region include Chinese pangolin, flying fox, wild pig, sunbird, barking deer, gaur, serow and Malayan giant squirrels. It is also a sanctuary in India which is home to 7 different species of wildcats. Tiger, leopard, clouded leopard, leopard cat, golden cat, jungle cat and marble, etc. I was so amazed to know this. Never knew about it. I never thought that something like this really exists. I should definitely bring my friends within few days to visit this place. This is really very amazing. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much. We'll visit soon. Okay. Oh my God, what happened? What is all this? Ma'am, please, you cannot stop us from anything now. We will be starting our coal mining project all again. You all came again? So ashamed of you. You killing the habitat of so many species? How dare you come again out here? Ma'am, see, we have approval now. We have proper permission. Who gave you the permission? Who gave you the permission? The National Board for Wildlife gave us the permission. Oh, you mean to say the National Board for Wildlife gave you the permission within this quarantine? Yes, through a video conference. Everything is possible here right now. What? How can I not stop you? You are not allowed. Ma'am, we have proper license for this. So we will start our coal mining project. Guys, start the project. No, please, I beg you, please. This is the habitat of so many species. The elephants out here, everyone will be hampered. Everyone. This is the Amazon of our East. How can you even do that to your own Amazon of the East? How can you even do that? Ma'am, I don't know anything. Coal mining will begin here. और कोल माइनिंग चालू होगा ही। मैम, आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते। प्लीज आप हट जाइए। मैम, what happened to this place? Ma'am, what happened to the Dihiang Patka? Ma'am, where are the trees? Where are the species? What happened to all this place? Ma'am, this is so disastrous. Everything is over, my dear. Every single thing is over right now. The Coal India Limited took away every single thing. They hampered this habitat. They took away the life of the species. They took away the habitat of those species. Every single thing. I asked them, I requested them, I begged them to not hamper the Amazon of the East, the only Amazon of the East. But they didn't listen. And nobody came up as well. Because nobody knows about this place. Nobody knows that we have an Amazon of the East. Nobody knows that there is a pride that we can call for. Nobody knows that we have species that we are known for. Nobody. Ma'am, I'm so sorry, ma'am, but I wasn't expecting this at all. Ma'am, what actually happened within these days? Within this quarantine itself, nobody, literally nobody came up to take a stand against this heinous activity. And this is why, see, look at the surrounding. Look at everything. We don't have trees, we don't have species, we don't have the Amazon of the East anymore. We are dead. We don't have this pride anymore. And slowly, every forest of Assam, every forest of our nation will be cut off for the reason of coal or any kind of resources. That's how everything will end one day. And that's how the world is going to end one day. नमस्कार। आपने देखा कि कैसे एक कोल इंडिया लिमिटेड के प्रोजेक्ट की वजह से ये सारा अमेज़न ऑफ द ईस्ट हट गया है आज। ये नहीं होता, ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता अगर सब लोग आवाज उठाते। ये हरगिज नहीं होता अगर सब लोग आगे बढ़ते बस एक आवाज उठाने के लिए कि सेफ दिहिंग पाटकाई। अगर आपने आज आवाज नहीं उठाया तो कल देखेगा कि कहां कहां क्या होता है। ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण चीज है हम लोग के जीवन में, और इसके साथ कोई भी खिलवाड़, कोई भी किसी भी तरह के खिलवाड़ हमें बहुत ही हानिकारक है। अगर आप कुछ दिन पहले आवाज उठाते तो आज हमें यह भी देखना नहीं पड़ता। तो आवाज उठाइए, समझिए चीजों को, समझिए कैसा हालातों को, और सेव दिहिंग पाटकाई। नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार। और इसी के साथ हम लोग का आज का एक कहानी खत्म होता है। क्या आपको अच्छी लगी, बुरी लगी, जरूर बताइएगा। ये बस एक मैसेज था आप सबके लिए कि बहुत ही चीजें हैं जीवन में महत्वपूर्ण जो हम ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, और दिहिंग पाटकाई एक ऐसी एक महत्वपूर्ण विचार है जो हम बात नहीं कर रहे हैं। इसी के साथ अलविदा दोस्तों, मैं रमीला आपसे विदाई लेती हूँ। सेफ दिहिंग पाटकाई, सुरक्षित रहिए, घर में रहिए। धन्यवाद।